Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up till I feel like it's gonna be that day.
I'm tired of shit, say I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep, wonder but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so the word I wanna say. Oh yeah, I rap with a certainty, I have a sense of urgency. A message for eternity for everyone internally. I had some people burning me, but now they fucking learn to see I ain't the one to fuck with. Now they looking nervously and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I go out and work till it's turning to an enemy. But you're so bad that you go moving on till I get it all. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up for what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up for what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
Let's go. Hey. Yeah, this is my life, my strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, oh. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun?
You don't know
I guess I'll try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at.
from the basement.
I guess I'll live here, live where, over where, am I scared where I'm fly at? I gotta make it to this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Living in the summer on a goose dance, right? Up on the nightclub at the end of the night, oh.
A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate. For taking control of your life, go out and battle. And you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it. Don't give up on your future, we all start choosers. Before late bloomers, gotta struggle through the summer. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yeah, I'ma do it my way. Yeah, I'ma do it my way.
फोन दिखाई ब्रांडेड फोन कौन ब्रांडेड जो मुझे आने की तो टेक्नोड़ा दीजिए क्या दे बटन के डिस्प्ले
କଳସିଏ ରୂପ ତତେ ଦେଲା କି ଯେ ଆଖି ତୋର ନାଚୁଥାଏ ଦରଜଏ ଛାତି ସହେ
सो बर्तमान आम पहुँचा पहुँची गलु और खाली कम समय ने कम बाट ठंडा है भल लगुनि कहीं खरा मसरे ठंडा भारी टे प्रोब्लेम देखा एठू सेठू पानी मिसीगला ना गाधे देली एठी छाड़ा सेठी ना तीन ठाणी गला से ठंडा होगा तो ठंडाटा एमती मेडिसिन खाइले भी एत शीघ्र मन छाड़ूनी देखा आउ दी 3-4टा मेडिसिन खाइबा तापर छाड़ू नहीं देखा ତ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଆମେ ପହଞ୍ଚିଗଲୁ। ତଣ୍ଡିଟା ପୁରା ବସିଯାଇଛି ଖାଲି। तो भिडियोଟିକୁ ଏଇଠି ରଖିବା। ଦେନ୍ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ମାଇ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ୍, ଲାଇକ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ସେୟାର କମେଣ୍ଟ। ଓକେ, ଥ୍ୟାଙ୍କ ୟୁ, ବାଏ।